If you've been banned from Google Meet and believe it was a mistake, you can appeal the decision. Follow these steps to submit your appeal effectively. Step 1. Review the ban reason. Understand why you were banned by checking any emails or notifications from Google. This will help you address the specific issues in your appeal. Step 2. Gather evidence. Collect any relevant information that supports your case. This may include screenshots, messages, or any other documentation that can demonstrate your compliance with Google Meet's policies. Step 3. Access the appeal form. Visit the Google support page for Google Meet and locate the appeal form. Make sure you are logged into the account that was banned to access the correct form. Step 4. Complete the appeal form. Fill out the appeal form with accurate and detailed information. Clearly explain your situation, why you believe the ban was unjust, and include any evidence you gathered. Step 5. Submit and wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient. It may take some time for Google to review your case and respond. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your appeal. In conclusion, appealing a ban on Google Meet requires careful preparation and clear communication. By following these steps, you can effectively present your case for reconsideration.